Today we're making cornflake crusted chicken fingers. These chicken tenders are super crispy, very easy to make, and involve no deep frying. Like most recipes on this page, these are highly customizable and come together in under 30 minutes. We'll also show you how to turn these into the viral Bang Bang chicken tenders, which is one of my daughter's favorite recipes. To start off, salt and pepper on the chicken tenders. That way the seasoning sticks just a little bit better before you get to the battering. I used pre-cut chicken tenders. You can just take a chicken breast, cut it into 3 strips, but I was feeling kind of lazy with this. So here we go. We got our flour station with flour, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika. We have our 2 eggs, and we have our crushed up cornflakes with some chunks just to make a better texture. Now what you're gonna do is wet hand, dry hand. So my left hand is now committed as the wet hand. So we do this, nice and good. You're gonna lay it in your egg. And with this hand, I'm gonna do this. We're gonna take it out, put it into the cornflakes, and we're just going to coat it. Make sure it's nice and coated all the way around. And then it should, when you're done,
look like a chicken snowflake.
Sure, it should look just like this. We're gonna lie this on, we want a wire rack like this over a sheet pan, because we are going to bake this in the oven. We're actually gonna use the air fry feature on our oven, but you can do baking, it's fine too. And if you have an air fry oven, you can also use that. Try to keep track of your wet hand, dry hand here, just so we don't destroy the batter, because you want the, which I just screwed it up, but you want to make sure your batter stays as good for the last one as it was for the first one, so each of these come out as equal as possible. So you have some options. As I said, you can put the chicken into an air fryer basket, throw it in your air fryer, 390 degrees for 15 minutes. Or if you're gonna bake it, you do 400 degrees on bake, flipping it over after about 8 minutes. But again, 15 minutes total. We're gonna actually use the air fry feature on our oven. So it's 400 degrees, 15 minutes. Put this on the middle shelf, and we'll be back. This is what it should look like when it comes out of the oven, nice and crispy. Now you can eat them like this with your favorite dipping sauce, or I've covered them in buffalo sauce, made a buffalo chicken wrap, I've made a barbecue chicken wrap, I've cut them up, put them on pizza. You can do whatever you want with them. There was a viral video by Hunter Shreds that did a Thai chili sauce with the same exact chicken recipe, and he had a Bang Bang dipping sauce that went with it. That's my daughter's favorite version now, so we'll show you how to make that now. This is what we need to do.
Starting with a half cup of Greek yogurt. And then we add 2 tablespoons of mayo, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of honey now. Now we mix.
All right. So we'll pour on some of the Thai chili sauce.
I love this, so I'm pretty happy that I got the biggest one.
What's great about this is even when you put sauce on it, because of the cornflakes, it stays crispy.
The sauce is awesome, but you don't need the sauce. It's just good by itself because it's so crispy.
Like, it's very good. All the ingredients made it good. That's why I like it.
I think this is definitely worth a try. It's simple enough to make, and then high protein, so healthy. You can change it up and make it all the different ways. We've made it lots of different ways before.
Give it a try. Let us know what you think. And if you like recipes like this, like and subscribe. We'll have more for you soon.